Now, Cesar, let's get into the CBTI, okay, or which is called the Cognitive Behavioral Therapy of Insomnia. Could you explain what CBTI is and how it works?
Basically, the CBTI is a specialized treatment plan for insomnia disorders, and basically follow the same principles of cognitive behavioral therapy, okay, which is that you have cognitions and behaviors that are, depending on the environment, can produce certain behaviors and emotions. So the way that we think, and that's the main principle of the cognitive behavioral therapy, will determine the way that we feel or the way that we react. So based on that, we have discovered, or we have studied basically that and many sleep disorders, in this case insomnia, are produced with the way that you think about the sleep. So it's a cycle that we have to interrupt. And for all the cases when sleep hygiene doesn't work properly, which is, the first line that we usually try to improve the sleep, we basically start with the treatment itself, because the cognitive behavioral therapy, as the name says, is a therapy. I mean, the first line before we go to any other treatment plans prescribed by a doctor, of course.